What's going on, everyone? We are live and we're going to be talking about all things crypto today. Action-packed show. Breaking news. We're going to go into the different charts, Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're going to go into altcoins, what's going on in the more macro side of things. Big things going on right now. So we need to prepare because there's going to be some very exciting price action to talk about. So at the moment, I can hear an echo, but that's gone now, so we're all good. So let's start off with breaking news just in this morning. BlackRock are buying Bitcoin again after lots of outflows. They're finally buying. They came in with 46 million earlier this morning, which obviously shows bullish signs in the market. We're seeing the likes of Russia using Bitcoin, not just Bitcoin, actually, Ethereum, and USDT, Tether, to buy and trade with India, with China, to maybe get around Western sanctions. In the market today, these are the top 100 coins, and if we look at what's going on, this is the monthly chart. You can see things are pretty much red all around. Okay, but we're going to the weekly red. Today is looking a bit more green. We are seeing a bounce, and like the title of this video, is the crypto crash over? Let me know in the comments. Use the comments, use the live chat if you're watching this live, and of course hit the like button and share this stream, guys. I plan to do this daily. We're refreshing on this channel. To be honest with you guys, I'll explain what it is. I've been making YouTube videos for the last 2-3 years. I love it. But when you're following a cryptocurrency like Ethereum and it keeps going down and down and down, you just need to change things up. Still bullish on Ethereum, and we're going to talk about Ethereum, of course. But yeah, I'm going to be doing some live shows. So let me know if you like the format. And also check the pinned comment, guys, because you can see our Telegram channel. I'm updating everything live in there, price action analysis. Anyway, on with today's video. In the lower time frames, 4 hour, things are turning green. Very nice to see. We're going to talk about Bitcoin levels. So we'll start off on Bitcoin. We'll start off on the higher time frame here for Bitcoin. And what's interesting is on this higher time frame on the weekly chart, I've drawn two major lines of resistance. This white level here, which suggests that we could still go down to $73,000. It's possible. But right now we are being supported off this $76,000 level. If you look at where the 200-day moving average is, I'll zoom in here. We're actually fighting to get back above that level. Let's see how this weekly candle closes. The 200-day moving average is currently at 83,760. So let's see if we can get above that level. If we can, of course, it's all systems go and we can start breaking higher once again. But at the moment, Bitcoin is still in a bull market. You can see this is a beautiful cup and handle pattern. Still lots of reasons to be bullish, really and truly. So that's the Bitcoin high time frame chart. One chart I wanted to show you as well, which is a big topic at the moment, and it's global liquidity. And of course, this doesn't just affect Bitcoin. It affects the whole crypto market, all risk assets, in fact, including, of course, Ethereum, Memecoins, altcoins, and we're going to get onto Memecoins and altcoins in a moment. On that note as well, I will update you. I've got some trades open. I'll talk more about these when I get onto Ethereum because I have an Ethereum trade on. It is currently in profit slightly, but we'll talk more about that when we get on. I'm currently underwater on this PopCat trade. I was winning on that earlier, but more about that later. But yeah, the global liquidity. What's interesting, this red line is basically shows us the resistance, and the green. The most importantly, the green line here is the global liquidity. Now it's broken out. We've seen global liquidity break out in the last few days and weeks. Every time that's happened before, you can see here, we got this big breakout into bull run territory. Same to be said in 2017 when global liquidity broke out. We've got this big bull run spike, and it should be no different for this time around. Let me know what you think. On the kind of slightly lower time frame here for Bitcoin, this is a 4 hour chart. you can see that we are consolidating, but there is resistance at around the $84,000 level. Bitcoin right now is trading at 83,000. It's interesting to see we do have a bullish divergence forming as well. So this is just the daily chart here for Bitcoin, and we can see the RSI has actually been increasing whilst price has been decreasing. This is known as a bullish divergence. 75, 80% of the time, guys, you're going to see a big breakout on the relevant time frame for that. That brings me on to this chart. We have a CME gap as well. And I think this is what we're trying to fill right now. This is a 2-hour chart for Bitcoin, and you can see trading into this 84 to 86, $87,000 level is probable. But once again, $74,000, $75,000 is a strong level of support. So we're going to move on to Ethereum. The Ethereum chart, this is a high time frame chart. This is a monthly chart for Ethereum. And we still have reason to be bullish because on the high time frame, we're still respecting this level here. This is the support, resistance turn support, and we're being supported right now here within these Bollinger Bands. We've come down to the support. I think we touched down as low as $1,740 and change the other day, but ultimately Ethereum here is still holding well, and we can see we're at the RSI bottom as well for Ethereum, which is good to see. On this monthly chart, you can see, although we've sold off massively in the last couple of months, we've sold off 60% almost in Ethereum. We now have this cup and handle pattern, which ultimately is very bullish. If we do a price target out of this range, you can expect a 3.5 to 4x move to the top of the bull cycle, potentially, dare I mention, $20,000 Ethereum. It's not over yet, guys. I can see some people in the chat, in the comments. It's not over. We're in a bull market. Just going back to the Bitcoin chart quickly, this is bullish, right? This is up and to the right. There's nothing bearish about this chart, but we are consolidating like we consolidated in a bull market, for the best part of a year through 2024, basically, before we got the big breakout. You have to be in it to win it. Once again, guys, if you're new to the channel, have the bell turned on, subscribe, hit the like button. We've got more to cover, altcoins, Memecoins, and the rest of Ethereum as well. Let's talk about that. Also, update on the trade. Currently $160 in profit here on my Ethereum trade. By the way, guys, I've opened these positions on WEEX. You don't need a VPN. You don't need KYC. Using the link down below in the video description, guys, there is a bonus up to $30,000, but you can even get $100 as an easy bonus just by signing up and depositing $50. Check out WEEX, really good trading platform. You can open a position there. I'll show you momentarily how to open positions, but let's focus first of all on Ethereum. I want to move on to the Ethereum whales, right? The Ethereum whales, guys, know something. They know something that we don't know, because those with over 10,000, between 10,000 and 100,000 Ethereum, that's not dollars, we're talking in the 20s to 30 million and beyond, know something. This purple line here shows us the balance and the Ethereum holders, and you can see the Ethereum price. That's been increasing, and typically the Ethereum price or the balance of those holders follows price. So, this is the Ethereum price. This is the balance of the holders. As that goes up, the Ethereum price goes up. Maybe there's manipulation going on. Do you think, guys, we're seeing manipulation? Let me know what you think in the chat, in the comments. What's interesting is on this time frame here, we have a weekly chart for Ethereum. We're actually seeing strong support. We have a lot of traded volume on this VWAP here. You can see that we've bashed into that level. We've come and taken out the liquidity recently for Ethereum, and I think it really is looking quite bullish now. So cup and handles for Ethereum, cup and handles for Bitcoin. You have to say, guys, it is looking very, very bullish all round. that brings me on to altcoin season. This is a thread I posted on X. By the way, guys, follow me on X if you're not already. Maybe you're watching this on X. It should be live on X as well. Let's have a look. Are we live? We are live on X as well. Fantastic. Let me know if you're watching on X. Let me know where you're watching from and retweet, like. But we're on YouTube as well. And altcoin season is loading. And the interesting thing about altcoin season, guys, oh, where are we gone? The interesting thing about altcoin season, it never, ever feels like it's altcoin season. Now, every cycle before the biggest altcoin rallies, the market is in a disbelief. Let me show you this. This is a thread I posted. So this first part of the thread shows us the crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see how February, and we're past February now, but February has marked the start of a rally. Every time, every single time. Is it going to be one of those key pivotal moments that we see Ethereum and altcoins really rally now? This is the altcoin season index. The best time to buy altcoins, guys, is when the Bitcoin season is in full force. And we're in Bitcoin season. As you can see here, this is the Bitcoin dominance. It's been raising higher and higher. More about this chart and the other charts in a moment. But look at this. The best time to buy historically altcoins has been in July of 2024, May 2023, and so on, so on. You can see the chart for yourself. We are in Bitcoin season, which means it's the best time to buy altcoins. So the other thing you should know, and there was another part of this tweet. I don't know where it's gone. Or is that it? Oh, it was this chart. We forgot to cover this. This is others. Now, if you don't know, others excludes the top 10 cryptocurrencies from the chart. So it's going to exclude your Ethereums, your Solanas, your XRP. So you're really looking at speculative altcoins and meme coins. And I'm going to share with you some of the meme coins I hold, buying, and plan to buy more of in a moment. But you can see here that we have different altcoin seasons, and you can anticipate the next altcoin season to happen and to start very, very soon, as shown in this chart. Every altcoin season has started from a long-term support trend line. You can see we've seen two major altcoin seasons. We haven't had a major one in 3 years. A lot of people will recall the October, November, December one. This is this small bump downtrend, guys. We haven't had the big one, and we will have it because crypto traders are degens. We're all degens. We like to trade. We open positions, as you can see on WEEX. I'm going to open some trades with you in a moment. But first up, let's complete what we're talking about with Bitcoin dominance. Now, Bitcoin dominance is an interesting one in an interesting place. And we were actually talking a lot about these charts in our Telegram group where we chat. There should be a scroll on the screen right now. You can join our Telegram channel. It's free. Lots of value there. Click on that link. And let's talk about this. Bitcoin dominance. Is it reached resistance point? Will it allow altcoins to rally? I mean, this is the total market cap. This is all cryptocurrencies ranging upwards. This is total 2, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. But total 3, this is the chart to watch. This excludes Ethereum and Bitcoin. Beautiful cup and handle pattern. We've had the breakout. We're now having the retest. This is known as the return to the scene of the crime. And we're going to expect that breakout. We're still seeing Ethereum get absolutely hammered, battered against Bitcoin. Guys, I have to apologize to a lot of people that are subscribers of mine for a long time because I am a big Ethereum holder. I still am. And I've been giving my very bullish price prediction on Ethereum. Well, in the last bull market, paid off much more. I've been wrong. I've been massively wrong about this cycle. Ethereum is really surprised us. I don't know how much more blood there is to come for Ethereum. You let me know. Let me know what you think if there's more blood to come for Ethereum. But who knows? But what is promising is the others. This excludes the top 10. And this is a beautiful big cup and handle pattern. So we're seeing meme coins rally. This is, let's go into that actually. Let's select meme coins. So we're seeing meme coins do very well today, particularly in the last 4 hours. These are the biggest meme coins doing very, very well right now. One of my largest spot holdings is SPX 6900. So I'm going to open some positions with you guys. You can see I've got my Ethereum position open, but let's open some degen positions for fun. And once again, if you want to open some trades, you can link in the video description down below. You can get up to 30k. You do need to deposit quite a lot to get 30k, but even if you've got $100 to deposit, no KYC, no verification, you can gain $100 easy bonus, free crypto to trade. Let's open some positions here. So if we go to the top here, we go to futures. I'm going to go to memes, and I'm going to open a position. I don't know if they have SPX. Let's have a look if they have SPX. They do. SPX 6900. So you can open limit market. We're going to do some quick trading here. I'm going to open up. You can see my leverage. I don't want 20x leverage for a meme coin. No way. Jose, I'm going to reduce that all the way down to 5x. And you can see my balance. I've got about 10,000 here. I'm not going to use all of that. I'm going to use about 20% of that. So about $1,000, sorry, about $2,000 of my own money. And we're going to open that trade. We're going to press confirm. And it's as simple as that, guys. I now have a trade open with SPX 6900. Now we want to set a stop loss because you don't want to get liquidated. You can see if we do some technical analysis here for SPX, it's quite evident that there's a support level going through there. We could also add some indicators, but for now, I'm going to use that as my support. And therefore, we want the stop loss to be approximately 0.31. So what we want to do there on SPX is set a stop loss. Okay, so we're going to go over here. We're going to click stop loss. We're going to put a stop loss trigger, and we are going to put a stop loss here and press confirm. So if it gets to that level, we want to select the whole position. If it goes to that level, we're going to be it's basically going to hit our stop loss. Okay, so we don't need to worry about getting stopped out. In fact, did it set? Let me check it out, guys. Open orders, trigger. Yeah, we've got a stop loss in place. Perfect. And of course, for the take profit, now we're currently $44 down on that trade, but that's fine. We have a take profit level to hit as well. And you'll notice that in terms of where the resistance is, we want to be targeting the resistance level. We are going to target this kind of, I would say 53 cents, but I want to be realistic and I want to target a psychological level. So we're going to go for a very nice risk to reward trade here. What do I mean by that? Well, we've opened at this level and we're going to be targeting up at 50 cents with a stop loss taking, where's that gone? Sorry, guys, I'm going to have to do that again because it's opened loads of different ones. I don't know why. Let's do it again. So we want to put the entry. That's the wrong indicator. We're going to have an entry here. Our entry is at about 34. Okay. And we are going to set our take profit here at about 49 cents. We have our stop loss here. So what that means, guys, is we have a risk to reward of 4 to 1. So if we lose, even if we took that trade 4 times and we win one of them, we're breaking even. And you can see we're in a nice uptrend here. So I believe it's a good trade. So, but we need to set our take profit. We haven't done that yet at 48 cents. Okay, so it's as simple as this, 0.48. We'll close the whole position. So if this trade comes off, guys, we're going to win $3,730 from that trade. And the risk, I'll show you the risk as well. I'm going to press confirm, understand. The stop loss is here. So the stop loss, if we hit stop loss, we're losing $1,000. If we hit take profit, we win about $4,000. So a nice risk to reward trade, in my opinion. Obviously, there's many other things to take into account when trading, guys, but generally, you want to manage risk using a positive risk to reward ratio. If you're new to trading, there is a tool that I use, and of course I use it because me and my team actually created this. I'm going to show you this. It's very cool and it's free to use, and it will help anyone that's new to trading. Let me show you. This is CoinGPT. So it's a free Telegram bot. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use it, and it's there to give you key levels. So I'm using it on my PC, but you can use it, of course, on your phone, on your mobile. It's super easy to use. And the way it works is you just click Analyze. And the cool part about it is it gives you up-to-date insights using live data and AI. So you can see the current UTC time, it's 12:20. And you can see the current prices of coins. You can see the dominance of Bitcoin, the total market cap. But we just analyzed SPX 6900. So we're going to put that in. You can type any coin. Of course, you could search by category, trending. And very soon, guys, I think as soon as later today, we're adding a cool feature called Scanner. So you can scan by different indicators to see what coins fit into what RSI, what moving out. So cool. Link is in the description down below, by the way, for CoinGPT. Let me know in the comments if you try it as well. But we're going to do /SPX. You can do that for any coin. This is for SPX 6900. And the default is 1 hour. You can see it's neutral at the moment. But of course, we can change the time frame out. Maybe the 4-hour time frame will give us a different bias. Who knows? Let's see. And it's still neutral. The other cool thing we can do is we can actually get a chart. So let's get the SPX chart, and we're going to zoom out. We'll use, let's say, the 4-hour chart here. We'll zoom in. We're going to take a screenshot. And the cool thing here, guys, you can use an image like that. I can put the image into the bot of any chart. I can get this from X, like Twitter. I could get this from Telegram, TradingView. And the bot in real time is going to give us analysis. It's going to know the price. It's going to know the coin. Let's see. So it knows the price. It's giving us a summary. The position is neutral. It's saying the current position reflects a consolidation phase. It's giving us a stop loss suggestion. It's giving us a take profit level, 48 cents, just like we put in our trade. So once again, guys, if you want to trade on WEEX, bonuses down below. If you want to check out CoinGPT, the link is in the video description down below as well. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed today's stream. I'm so happy to have all of you watching. Obviously, you can watch this after. There will be chapters down below. Please share the video, like the video. And once again, guys, join us in our free Telegram group because I'm posting there hourly, almost, or not hourly always, but in the key moments when crypto prices break out, the major news, the major insights. Once again, guys, hit that like button. If there's anything you can do, hit the like. That really does help. I really appreciate everyone coming to watch. And let me know if you enjoy CoinGPT. Let me know if you're going to claim the WEEX trading bonus down below. And I'll see you again, guys, on another video. I'll be streaming daily, Monday to Friday, 12 p.m. UTC. That's currently 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or it's 1 p.m. European Central Time. And I think UAE, Dubai time, it's like 3 p.m. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Once again, hit the like, share it. See you again very soon, guys. Take care. See you all soon. Bye-bye.